Hi, my name is Angela, and this is my demonstration for English class, my demonstration video speech. Today I'll be showing how to do resin art. I'm gonna do some folding stands. To do resin, you need epoxy. This is part B. You'll also need part A, and you put half and half. So I have my silicone cups, I have my mixing sticks, I have my gloves on, and then I have the molds I'm going to use. You also need a heat blower to get out all the bubbles. Now in here, since it takes 2 to 3 minutes for the epoxy to mix really well, I pre-made the mix. I poured in 4 ounces of part A and 4 ounces of part B. This is so you guys can see. It's a clear liquid. You can see right through it. Other supplies needed would be glitters, dry flowers, shredded glass, sand, shells. You can put anything you want in the epoxy. So I did glitter. We have blue, pink, and silver. So since my epoxy is already mixed in the clear version, now I'm going to pour some into the glitters. With the epoxy in the glitters, I'm going to mix them into the glitters so that the glitters can move all around. And when I dump it in my molds, it'll be mixed up already. Just mix these real quick. I'm going to get close to you guys so you can see how it looks. This is the blue. This is the silver. And this is the pink. So other than pink glitter, I have some beads used for sewing in here. And some other little trinkets I found pink in the dollar store. And these are my molds. This is going to be the base, and this will be what holds the foam. So I like to mix colors. So first I'm going to take the silver. I'm just going to throw it in there, mix it around. Get close to you so you can see how it looks. And then in here. So on top of this, I'm going to take some pink and I'm going to throw it on too. And now I'm going to do the blue. So it'll give you a design on it. It could be any type of pattern, which they're really fun to do. And then in my stand part, I'm going to put a little bit more because we want to fill it all the way up. So we have it in here like this. All of this is done. Once I do all of that, this is where my blower comes into handy. You have to blow on it so that the air bubbles can come out. It has to be heat. Once you do this, you put it in a place where it's warm, no dust, no moths, nothing like that can stick to it. And you leave it for a couple hours to sit and dry. Now, since this speech is only supposed to be 10 minutes at max, I went ahead and I had pre-made some so I can demonstrate. Once it's hard and it's ready to come out, all you have to do is grab the mold, pull it to the side, pull it to the side, and you have your mold out. These little rough corners, you can snip them off with either a pair of wire cutters, thin wire cutters for jewelry decorations, and then you can sand off the corners. Lightly. Sand lightly if you need to sand. Now let's do the second mold, the animal, for the base part. Get them out of here. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get them out. You have to be careful you don't break your mold when pulling. Always try to lift it over the corner edges. And this is your animal. Once you take them out of the mold, always remember to flip your mold back. You don't want your mold to get a bad shape. Now, this, you put a little bit of your mix on it. Once it's done, you want to get enough on there so that it sticks. Put it on here like that. And you put it in the same spot so that it can dry on. Let me put this here real quick. Once you do that, this is how it looks. And then, since I'm using my phone to record, I'm going to use this. You can put the phone on it and stand it like this. You can watch shows, videos, however you want to do it. If you're doing video chat, you can stand it this way. And this is a little work of art. You don't have to do the colors divided. To get the colors divided, you have to wait until this dries, then put the new layer, and so on to get these divided. Now, to do the mix, you just dump them all in there. And it comes out with the mix, which is what I just taught you guys how to do. That was my video with my demonstration. Hope you guys like it. Till next time.